right back after these messages. Oh, that's kitty. Thank you. There you go. Okay, then that works too. And I hate this job. I saw that, Larry. Okay. Oh, this is fun. Talking some stuff. Oh. And we're back. And in other news that I can't read. What's this?
That's just for show. You're supposed to read the prompter.
Hey, I have no glasses here.
Move it closer.
Thank you, Larry. In other news, the Backstreet Boys are taking over the world. Why? Oh, gee. We're leaving.